My 10-month-old was constipated, then tries to fight me thy help.
This poor 10-month-old baby girl is so constipated, and it's just painful to watch her suffer through it. Now, if you're a mom who have babies that get constipated frequently, you need to stick around. There's 3 major reasons why baby gets constipated easily. Number 1, they don't get enough fluids. Number 2, they eat too much of the binding foods. And number 3, they're not getting enough fiber. As baby continues to increase their solids intake, you need to make sure that they get a little bit of additional fluids to help them on top of the breast milk or formula that they're drinking. So number 2, what are some of the binding foods? 1, carbohydrates. So your rice, your pasta, your bread. Other binding foods includes green beans, applesauce, regular potatoes, or sweet potatoes. So again, just make sure that you rotate to a different variety of foods for your baby to avoid constipation. So when baby is not getting enough fiber, we wanted to make sure to introduce them to a variety of fruits, and fruits that are particularly high in sorbitol content will help them poop. So think about plums, prunes, pears, apricot, peaches. And one of the other great fruit that can help with constipation is kiwi. So help share and save this video so more moms with babies can learn about helping them to relieve the constipation without using the medication.